Hey all, this is Samudita from Adya's Kitchenettes. Hope you all are doing good. Be safe, stay home. These are all my recipes. Edible cup chocolava, edible rose made from biscuits, edible rakhi made from beetroot and carrot halwa, sweet corn based pizza, tiranga jelly fruit cake, millet rabri, red velvet no bake cake, Swiss roll, banana custard no bake, pumpkin nog, sugar-free coconut laddus made from strawberry and cocoa powder as coloring agents. This is my red velvet smoothie. I'll be sharing all the recipes in the description. Today I'm gonna make a traditional authentic rice recipe, that is citron lime juice rice or kafir lime juice rice, or it's called harlekai chitranna in Kannada. This is the citron lime goju or paste which has a shelf life of 15 days. So let's get started with our ingredients here. Coconut 1 cup, turmeric 1 teaspoon, onion 1 medium, garlic 2 cloves minced. Onion and garlic are optional. Mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, curry leaves, 2 Guntur red chilies, 3/4 cup of citron lime juice. This is our citron lime, which just looks like a sweet lime. It aids in weight loss. This lime is specially used in Ayurveda for Pitta dosha. It helps for diabetic patients and heart health. It's heart healthy. Jaggery as needed. It's completely optional. Asafoetida or hing a pinch. Chana dal 2 tablespoon. Urad dal 3 tablespoon. Coriander seed 1 tablespoon, 10 badgi chili or dry red chilies, sesame seeds 2 tablespoon. Now dry roast all of the masalas, chana, urad dal, dry red chilies until you get aroma, and mix all of them into a grinder along with the coconut chunks, and you will get a powder. Now in a saucepan I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. Once our oil is heated up, I am adding mustard seeds, curry leaves, dry red chilies, garlic and onion. Garlic and onion are optional, and turmeric. And saute them nicely until our onion and garlic cooks thoroughly and it becomes brown and translucent. To this stage you can add some jaggery, which is optional. If you want only spicy and tangy, don't add jaggery. It's completely optional. Who like tangy and a little sweet, they can add jaggery. And saute it until the jaggery gets caramelized along with the onion. So to this I am adding the masala, which was made from dhania, red chili, sesame seed, and saute it nicely. So this paste or goju can be kept for 15 days, so you can take it while traveling, or you can make and keep it for your husband, or you can give it for your kids while they are going to hostel. To this I am adding citron lime juice, 3/4 cup, and make sure your stove is off when you are adding the lime juice so that it doesn't get bitter. And mix it until the lime juice get infused into the masala thoroughly. So our paste is ready to be mixed with the rice. So I have taken the cooked rice as needed. To this cooked rice, you can add the masala which you made, or goju, or the paste, citron lime juice paste, as needed. Like if you like it too much of masala, you can add little more, or you can just add around 2 tablespoons for 1 cup of rice. Mix it with rice. So voila, our citron lime juice rice is ready to serve. Thanks all. Please do like, share and subscribe Adya's Kitchen. It's Tia.